Welcome to North Railroad and Lincoln Avenues in Grant City, Staten Island. Home to the Grant City, Staten Island Railway Station. Here, you'll find Lincoln Liquors, the Lincoln Superette, John's Restaurant and Pizzeria, 7-Eleven convenience stores, the Panda Garden, Bella Travel, buy to save closeouts and bargains, the Railroad Tavern, Next Level Barber Shop, Grant City Antiques, the Grant City Tavern, the Whole Scoop Ice Cream and more, Pagoda Pool Supplies, Curatola and Omundsen, Custom Home Renovations, Mike's Caprice, Hair Cutters, French Tart, the Corner House Restaurant, your local lawyer's office, Many Happy Returns Tax Service, P&A Pool Supplies, Just for Kicks, catering to the young athlete, and Kling MLS Real Estate.